How neat is this? This is a pneumatic can crusher with the American flag on it. It's got a kind of a skull on there. It's really, really neat. The way you attach this to the wall, it comes with the hardware. Basically, you just run some screws in right there. There's 4 spots. Hang this on the wall, okay? I don't have this hung on the wall yet, but basically the way this works is you run a pneumatic line to it, and we are gonna crush cans in a second, to a compressor, okay? This has to be, of course, connected to a compressor. And then you basically put your can inside, right there, inside this little chute. And you hit this button right here. And the one thing I was worried that is that you would hit this and it would just go down and smash, and that's pretty dangerous. But if you let it go, it'll go back up. So if you look, you throw it in there, we'll hit the button. My gosh, that is neat. And the can comes out the bottom. Let's do it again. We'll throw a different type of can in there. Look at that. Completely crushed. We'll just go like this. Pull them out the bottom, and they will fall out, obviously, just like that. So let's do another one. Oh, this is why you should mount it. Look, so neat. And it's like somehow like it's angled so they just fall out, which is really cool. So it's pneumatic, pretty easy to put together. Some screws here, some screws here. Comes with this very detailed instruction. Comes with even some tools and some extra hardware, gloves. This is the extra hardware here. Instructions are here. Very, very neat addition to a garage, a bar, an outdoor area, whatever you might think this would fit in. Comes in a couple different colors, and I mean, it's just so cool. Everyone I showed this to, it's just like, that is the coolest thing ever. The hardest thing in this thing is to figure out where you're gonna mount it, because you're gonna want multiple of them. Maybe next to your refrigerator is a good spot. What do you think? You know what I even noticed? Clear there, you can kind of see through. Really neat.